welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna do a skincare haul slash show you my new skincare routine. I feel like I could talk so much about how I feel about skin, my skin, skincare, etc. As you may or may not know, I've had a very much a just diabolical skincare journey the past like year and a half. So for a long time I was scared to put anything on my face other than Aveeno, just like a really natural emollient. But recently as in like last week, my skin has not been holding up too well, and as much as Aveeno is doing the job at like soothing my skin barrier is so trash that I just need it to repair itself ASAP. My skin was so bad, I had content to film and I just went into panic mode. I was like searching, just researching, even looking on TikTok. TikTok is just so helpful for real people, real experiences. Now that I think about this, I should be filming a TikTok about this as well. Maybe I'll do that later. So for me, my problem area on my skin, I don't know if you can see, is right here and my chin area. Very red, it's very sore. My skin barrier right now is damaged. Same as my chin. My chin has gotten a little bit better. My chin started acting up first, so I kind of like not caught it in the bud because it's still acting up, but it's not as bad as like around my nose section here as well. This side isn't too bad, but this side, this is where my skin problem started, like right here, and it's never completely recovered, so it's stressing me out. But I just did a big skincare shop. I spent, I want to say like maybe like £150, just impulse bought stuff. I was like, next day delivery, I need it ASAP. And I've been using them, and it's just like, I'm even getting emotional when I speak about it now. I feel like I get emotional for everything these days, but it's just like, I went through hell. So now that I don't want to jinx myself, like touch wood. Now that I'm in like a better-ish place, everything just makes me excited and emotional and overwhelmed at the same time. But I've been using my new products. Should I show you? I'll show you what I got first. So I got told by a doctor that I had a type of dermatitis. I believe that I have it, but I also don't believe that I have it. I don't know. Everyone said that Calendula cream really helped with that, like everyone that I read on the internet. So I used this about 8 months ago. Didn't really do much for me, but I was just using it and not using like enough emollients. I repurchased it again in a panic because I'm like, I need to clear my perioral dermatitis. It's so hard to say. So I was like, oh shit, I'm out of storage. Ah! Okay, I just ran out of storage and I even forgot what I was saying. Yeah, the main thing that I saw for like repairing your skin barrier was Roche Posay Cicaplast. Is that, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Cicaplast with B5. There was quite a few stuff that came up, but I'll do the haul first and then I'll go through that. So I was gonna get the balm. I have the balm literally arriving today. I was kept checking my notifications hoping that it would come before I filmed. The first thing that I got was this lavant. It says lavant on it, but I think it's just like a face wash. Purifying, soothing foam and gel, antibacterial agents, for skin irritation, babies, children and adults, face, body, scalp and intimate area. The Cicaplast B5, that stuff really sold me, so I was like, let me just get the face wash as well. The next thing that I got, I nearly didn't get this. I saw it on, I think I saw it on the actual La Roche Posay website and it was out of stock, and I was like, no, that's so annoying. This little bad boy is the Cicaplast B5 Serum. It does not help that this isn't in English. Like, I keep thinking that I can read it, but it's not. Intense repair and hydration and protection. I don't know if it actually says that, but it's in another language and I'm just guessing that's what the words mean. This serum, I don't think it's available in the UK, but I got it from, where did I get it? Cult Beauty? I'm pretty sure I got it on Cult Beauty. Yeah, Cult Beauty. It was £39. It's gotta be good. Like, it has got to be good. I read about it and I watched some videos about it and it just sounds like what I need. So I'm really praying that this does the damn thing for me. Instantly, skin is internally moisturized. After 1 hour, the fragile skin barrier is repaired, skin is relieved. After 1 week, skin feels regenerated and protected against further irritation and dryness. Skin texture is refined and skin tone is more even. Test post procedures and even in diverse climates. So that's what they said. This was based on a sample of 93 women. Of course, everything works differently for everyone. I saw online that some people said it triggered their acne. I don't really suffer from acne. Well, that's what I like to tell myself. One dermatologist did tell me I had acne, but I like to tell myself that I'm not suffering from acne. My skin is just in its sensitive era. So yeah, like I said, everything works differently for everyone. So far, I every time I think about it, every time I think about it, it's like I want to cry straight away. I am just, I don't know if you can tell how excited I am to even like be talking about this. Like it just, woo! I lost years of my life to bad skin, so now that I'm able to just try new stuff on my skin and hopefully just get it back to how it used to be, it's just very overwhelming for me. Okay, so I got that. The balm is coming. I'm sure I'll update my channel when once I'm using that. I'm gonna update obviously after a while to let you guys know how these products are working for me. So yeah, that was that. After I impulse bought that, £100 more or less, it wasn't enough apparently. Like apparently I needed more. Obviously you guys know, as I was saying before, I love to use Aveeno. Story time. So after I freaked out and impulse bought those stuff, I went to the bathroom, washed my face because my face was really stinging, irritated and itchy. That's what happens. That's when I know my skin is bad. It's just stinging, it's tight, itchy and irritated. Went to the bathroom, washed my face, put on some of my trusty Aveeno Demexa, and my skin felt fine. It was like fine, calmed down, so much less angry, and I was just like, wow, I really sat and got in my head. I think it was a combination of knowing that I had a lot of content to film and my skin was just letting me down. That's exactly why I took so long to come back, because I didn't want this to happen. It's like I don't want to come back, then my skin freaks out, and then I can't commit, and then I go, it's so cliche. I hate doing the whole guys I've been gone because I was going through a lot. It's just so cringe to me. So I think that added to me being stressed and panicking and being like, I need to fix my skin like right now. Back to the story, I was just like, wow, this Aveeno is really working. And then I was reading it and I was like, yeah, it's got oats and ceramides. The oats are soothing. So I was looking up more Aveeno, and then I came across their Calm and Restore. I saw someone using the products. I think they have a face wash, a toner, some other stuff that I got. First thing that I was sold about was the Calm and Restore for Sensitive Skin Triple Oat Serum. I saw oat and I was like, the oat in the Aveeno Demexa was what soothed my face instantly that day. So triple oat, you better believe I'm getting that. I'll be real, I haven't actually used it. I'm really just trying to focus on fixing my skin barrier. So in my head I was like, I'll use the expensive serum that I got from Roche Posay, see how that works, and then if my skin ever feels irritated, etc., then I'll go in with the soothing sort of stuff from Aveeno. To be honest, it's been less than a week since I've had these products, so I haven't got a solid routine yet, but I don't know, that's what I just thought in my head. And the next thing that I got from the Calm and Restore range was the Oat Gel Moisturiser. Just because I felt like I was buying a lot of serums, washes, etc., but I didn't have a proper moisturiser, and I couldn't obviously get the balm from the Roche Posay range to moisturise my face. So I was like, let me just get a daily, a sort of everyday kind of moisturiser for my face. Just trying to switch out from using Aveeno. As much as this has helped me, it's just been a, what's the word, it just gets rid of the symptoms, the Aveeno, and that's like, I feel like I'm just done getting rid of the symptoms. I want my skin just fixed, you know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense, and I feel like for me to like get past it, it would start by fixing my skin barrier. So yeah, that's all the products I've got. I'm just so happy. I'm really excited to be on a journey of like looking after myself, because like I said before, my skin issues really started with me not looking after myself at all, and so I'm here right now. But it's fine, I can forgive myself one day. One day I will forgive myself. So yeah, I'm really excited. So this is my new skincare, well, my old skincare routine that consisted of these literally two products: CeraVe, the hydrating cream to foam cleanser, and Aveeno Baby Demexa. I use Aveeno Demexa. This is the baby one, but I'll use the regular one as well. I just use whatever is nearest to grab, to be honest. So happy right now, oh my god. Now in the morning I use the Roche Posay Cicaplast. I haven't actually tried, but this one didn't say anything about getting rid of makeup, whereas I know that they have a face wash that says it gets rid of makeup, so I just assumed it doesn't. Then once that's done, I apply this serum, the B5 serums. Because that one is so expensive, I just apply it to my problem area, so nose and chin. Then I let that stay. They say let it sit for a minute before you put on any other skincare. I just let it sit for as long as I can be bothered to wait. No, sorry. I let it sit for a minute, but I also will go over a minute if I don't have to like get ready quickly or whatever. I'll let it really soak in before I put another product on top. And then after that, I'll just use the Aveeno Gel Oat Moisturiser. I love the packaging of this. It's so pretty, this packaging. Yeah, so then I use that, and then I just go about my day. If I'm filming, I'll do that. I'm trying to avoid putting on makeup where I can, but it's just my life, just the whole nature of it all just It's very difficult for me. And then at nighttime I use my trusty micellar water. I will never stop using this to take off my makeup. It's the Garnier micellar water with a cotton pad. I have used that for years and I will always use that to initially take off my makeup. Then with the CeraVe, the hydrating cream to foam cleanser, to double cleanse my face. So I use micellar water, then I wash my face off with the CeraVe. I'll wash it twice with the CeraVe, so I guess I'm kind of triple cleansing. I just need the makeup off my face so my face isn't irritated. And then once that's done, I then use the Roche Posay. My problem areas, nose and chin, very expensive. I'm not putting it on my whole face, or my whole face doesn't actually need it. And then I go in with this Calendula. I don't really like the smell of this, so I try to use it at night so I don't have to like smell it. So I put that on top, again, just on the problem area. Then I go in with the Oat Gel Moisturiser from Aveeno. I feel like when my balm gets here, I'll probably use the La Roche-Posay B5 Balm overnight for my face. From what I've seen, it's a thicker sort of consistency, and I feel like it will help with the overnight restoration of my face and of my problem areas. But for now, I've just been liking using that Aveeno Oat all over my face before I sleep. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later on in the day and I'm back because, like I was saying before, my little balm has come. I got it from Sephora. It was finally delivered. I'm about to take my makeup off, but I was like, let me add it into the video since I was filming about my skincare earlier. So I'll just do the routine on camera. I'm speaking a bit quiet because it is late. So let's go. On pads as always. Micellar, like I said earlier. This always hurts. I swear my eyes always itch like this. Oh, but it's so satisfying. It feels so good. I literally hate troubling this section of my face. Like, I feel like I've popped a spot. Amazing. It looks like I'm being rougher than I am. I'm actually being very gentle. And like I said earlier, I do double cleanse, so I will go and just wash my face off. Just like to get off as much as I can with the micellar water. Just gonna use one more. This one's quite wet. And just, I don't know if you can see. It's not really shown on camera, but it's very, very red. Like, just very red. The thing is, so easy to apply makeup over it. It's just removing it that is like, I'm just gonna be so careful. That is the most I'm gonna get off with the micellar water. I'm now gonna take my CeraVe and I'm gonna go wash my face 2 times over with this. I try and really focus on like my problem area because, as you guys saw, I can't really remove the product very well with the micellar water and cotton pad. I'm dripping in water. But actually, can you see how red my problem area is? That whole bit where it's lighter is like just damaged skin barrier. It's so sore. Again here, and then on this side's not as bad. This side's never been as bad, but again where it's lighter, it's like my skin just freaking out. Awful. I can't believe that I'm actually showing this. Like, I never in a million years thought I would come on and be confident enough to show my bad skin. Well, then again, this is good compared to what it used to be. This is spotless compared to what it used to be, but like, I don't know, it's just crazy. My face looks so dry. My hands are super dry now as well, so no one should judge me. I take like 1 and a bit drops because I'm not even putting it on my whole face. And just, I think with my skin and like the issues it's going through, I think it's easier if I do like a patting motion because I'm not rubbing it so much. This is why it's quite easy for me to apply makeup, because I just pat it in rather than rub. And then when it's time to take it off, that's when I'm like, I cannot pat my makeup off. Calendula. I'm gonna pat that in. It smells like shit. It smells so bad. Oh my god. I thought the 40 ml would be a lot bigger than this, I can't lie, but it's fine. I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand. Let's see. Ooh. A little goes a long way. Oh my god. Whoa. Guys, let's hope that my skin doesn't freak out tomorrow morning. If this video goes up as normal and I get no bad reactions, then that means I've had no bad reactions. If I come back tomorrow to do a little disclaimer or something, you'll know something went wrong. Please don't sting. I'm literally like, please do not sting. I look crazy. I thought I was gonna look more glamorous than this. I'm glad that I introduced the balm gradually. If I wake up tomorrow and something's off, I'll think it will likely be from the balm rather than from the Calendula or the serum. I look crazy, but this is just how I'm gonna go to bed, like with this kind of layer. My barrier needs to just heal and repair overnight. I do feel like I've neglected the rest of my face, so I'm just gonna go in with the Aveeno Calm and Restore moisturiser. I need to invest in an eye cream, so if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'm just not even touching this area, like I can't with this area of my face. I'm gonna let you guys go back to future me to wrap up this video, because like I said, it's late and I'm speaking quite quiet. But yeah, so that is my new and improved skincare. Very excited just by it all. Hopefully like I can finally just sort my skin out, because it has been tormenting me and ruining my life for way too long. I've had enough. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna do an updated like skincare sort of thing maybe in a month or so, just to let you guys know how I'm finding the products. If you have any like recommendations, any products, anything, please, all help is literally so appreciated. We are on the journey to fixing my skin. Yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my previous video. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in next week's video.